Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mala stir-fry, the only way. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of your favorite protein, like sliced beef or chicken, and around 4 cups of assorted vegetables such as bell peppers, onions, and broccoli florets. Having everything prepped and within arm's reach is crucial for the fast-paced stir-frying technique. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient cooking experience, leading to a delicious meal. Now, let's create the heart of our dish, the authentic mala sauce. Begin by gently toasting about 1/4 cup of dried red chilies and 2 tablespoons of Sichuan peppercorns in a dry pan until they become wonderfully fragrant. This step awakens their intense flavors. Next, grind these aromatic spices into a coarse powder. Finally, mix this powder with 2 tablespoons of chili bean paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and a pinch of sugar to balance the heat. This blend forms the foundation of our unique flavor. With our sauce ready, it's time for the stir-frying magic. Heat your wok to a very high temperature, ensuring it's smoking hot, then add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. First, stir-fry your protein, such as sliced chicken or beef, until it's nearly cooked through, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove it from the wok. Next, add your harder vegetables like carrots, followed by softer ones, cooking them quickly in small batches to maintain their crispness and vibrant color. This method ensures even cooking. For the grand finale, bring all the elements together. Return all your previously cooked protein and vegetables to the hot wok. Pour in your freshly prepared mala sauce, ensuring every piece is generously coated. Toss everything together vigorously for about 1 minute, allowing the flavors to meld and the ingredients to heat through completely. The aroma will be incredible. Serve this piping hot mala, stir-fry immediately with fluffy steamed white rice for a truly authentic and satisfying culinary experience. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.